Hello everyone, Standard A, Subject Maths, Chapter number 2, Linear Equation in One Variable, Part 1. Okay, before going to start with what is linear equation, let's just understand what is algebraic expression. See, this algebraic expression you have already learned. Okay, so let's take one example. Okay, what is expression? First we understand that. Okay, if one day I just go to the shopkeeper, okay, that normal stationery shop, and I go and buy one pen. The pen cost is 10 rupees. Okay, so one pen cost is 10 rupees. The next day I show this pen to my friend. Okay, so my friend tell me that I'm like this pen. I also wanted to buy the same pen. Okay, but the I want 5 pen. Okay, not only one pen because I'm liking it. So what she going to do is one pen cost is 10 rupees. Okay, she wants how many pens? She wants 10 pens. How many pens? 10 pens. Sorry, 5 pens. So my friend wants 5 pens. The 5 pen cost how much? How much? Okay, so look at over here. What is changing over here? What is changing over here? Number of pens changing, but what will remain constant? क्या चीज है जो नहीं बदलेगी? Okay, that is constant. What will remain constant? That is the pen cost. Cost. So 10 into x. Okay, where x is number of pens. X represent the number of pen. Okay, so whatever. So if I want one pen, it means so one pen cost. So just how this one represent the number of pens. Okay, so one pen. So 10 into 1. What is the cost of one pen? That is 10 rupees. Okay. How many pens she want? 5 pens. So 5 pen cost equals to. So 10 into 5 because x what x represents the number of pen. So the 5 pen cost is 50. Okay. Now look at over here. When a expression which contains a constant. What is constant? This one. Constant. What? Variable and operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction. Okay. It is called algebraic expression. Okay. It is called algebraic expression. So an expression which contains what it contains. Let's start with coefficient, variable, constants, and operation like addition, subtraction, etc. Okay, it's called algebraic expression. It's called algebraic expression. So in short, I'm writing algebraic expression in AE. Okay. Now, what is come over here? Coefficient. Coefficient into variable plus constant I'm writing 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So here 2 is my coefficient. See, look at the previous one example. 5 pen. So what is 5? And 5x. Sorry, 10 into x. What is constant over here? The cost of pen remain constant. Okay. And what is varying? मतलब क्या change हो रहा था? Varying मतलब whatever is changing, that is called variable. So the number of pens were changing and changing, keeps on changing. She want one pen, she can buy 2 pens, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is by x is varying, keep on varying. Okay. So similarly over here, this x is my variable. So 2 is coefficient. This one is variable. Okay. So this one is operation and this one is constant. Okay. So the combination of all these four, we get one algebraic expression. Okay. Now let's move towards to equation. Now, so algebraic expression is nothing but expression which contains coefficient, variable, constant operations. Okay, so for all these four combination we get algebraic expressions. Now take this one only. 2x plus 1. Okay. Is equals to I'm taking say equals to 10. No, not 10. Just say 7. Okay, 7. Now look at over here. 2x plus 1 is equals to 7. Now look at over here. One more thing the added over here. See, this one is nothing but my algebraic expression. Okay. Now what extra thing we added over here? That is equal to sign. It means equal to sign. What equal to sign represent? That whatever is given in my left hand side part is equal to my right hand side part. Okay, that is the meaning of equal to. Okay, now so here variable is given, so it means I have to replace this variables with some digit so that when I solve this equation, I'm getting my left hand side is equal to the right hand side part. Okay, so it means we have to replace our x. Okay, if I taking x equals to say 1, I'm taking x equals to 1. So here plus 1, what I'm getting? 2 plus 1, which is 3. I'm getting when I replace my x with 1. I'm getting 3, which is not equals to 7. Which is not equal to 7. Now, look at over here. Let me replace this x with 2 plus 1. I'm getting 4 plus 1. Again, I'm getting 5 not equals to 7. Not equals to 7. Now, replace this 2 with 3. So I am getting 6 plus 1 equals to 7. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. It means if I replace my x with 3, I am getting equals to 7. Okay. If I replace my x with 3, I am getting exactly the value which given on my right hand side part. It means, see, x equals to 3 is the solution of this equation. X equals to 3 is the solution. Okay. Whatever the value you the solution of 2x plus 1 equals to 7 is x equals to 3. X equals to 3. Okay. Now, let's understand. So that is the meaning of equation. That is the meaning of equation. When equality signs involved, it means that is nothing but my equation. Okay. So here expressions, it means constant, variable, coefficient, operation, and equality sign involve the extra one. Which one is that extra one? Equality sign involves, it calls algebraic equation. Algebraic equation, because we equate this expression with some value. Okay, so that I am getting my both side is equal. Okay. Now, when equality sign involves equation. Okay. When equality sign involves, it called equation. Now, let's talk about linear equation in one variable. Now you understand what is expression, what is equation. See, expression does not contain equality sign. When I involve this equality sign, it means it represents the equation. Now, let's talk about what is linear. See, as you can observe over here, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So let me just erase this side. Now, linear equation. So what is linear equation? It means, as you can observe over here, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Okay, now look at over here. Let's understand what is linear. Then linear equation will talk later. So linear, it means, observe the degree of the x. See, degree, and it means the power. Okay. What is the power of x? It means x is single. It means the power of x is 1 only. Power of x is 1 only. Okay. Now, so instead of telling power, we use the word degree. So here, the degree of the variable, observe, I am saying degree of the variable. Okay, not constant, nothing. Degree of the variable is 1. Degree of the variable is equals to 1. Okay. Whenever the degree of the variable is equals to 1, it means that expression is a linear. That expression is a linear. Let's say more examples. Okay, more examples. So I am saying, say 5x. So look at over here. Constant is not given, because as you can write over here, Okay, when you add is also 0 is also my constant. Okay, when you write minus 0, it makes difference or no? Does not make any difference. So look at over here. So 5x. Here we just see the degree of my variable. So degree of variable is 1. Degree of variable x is 1. Degree of variable x is 1. Now take say 3x minus 1. Now look at over here. Again the degree of variable x is 1. Let's say 7y plus 3. Okay, now look at over here. Y is also my variable. See, variable we can represent with any small alphabet. Okay, you can represent this variable with any small alphabet. Okay, so the degree of variable y is 1. Degree of variable y is 1. Okay. Now look at over here. As you can observe that my degree is 1. Degree is 1. Now look at observe the variable. How many variables each expressions contain? How many variables? Here, how many variables are there? One variable. How many variables are there? One variable. How many variables are there? One variable. It means this one is my linear equation in one variable. This one is also represent a linear equation in one variable. This one is also represent a linear equation in one variable. Why it's represent linear equation in one variable? Because this expressions contain a degree 1 and this expression also contain only a one variable. That's why we call it a linear equation in one variable. Okay. So expression have, let me write algebraic expression. Algebraic expression have contains one variable and the degree of variable is also 1. We call it a linear equation. Why I'm saying equation? Because now, for example, I'm writing like this one. Say 2x plus 1 equals to 175. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, equality sign is also involved. If equality sign is not involved, that does not make any difference. But this one represents a linear equation. This one represents a linear equation. Okay, if you did not write this one, it's okay. Okay, so this one represents a linear equation. Linear equation, it means the variable degree should be 1 and it's also contain one variable in whole expression. Okay, no other variables like 2x plus 3y. There are how many variables? How many variables? There are two variables. In one expression, how many variables is this equation contains? Two variables. It means this one is not one variable. So not one variable. The whole expressions contain only one variable. That's okay. So that's why we can tell that this one is a one variable equation. Okay. So one variable, which is x over here, which are x and y. Okay, understood? Now let's try to solve the algebra. Let's try to solve a linear equations. Now solving linear equation. Okay? Solving linear equation which have linear expression on one side and a number on other side. Exactly, we have already seen that one. 2x plus 1 equals to 7. Okay? So expression is given to one side and a number is given one side. It means we have to find the value of that variable which is equals to my that other side number. Now, question number 1. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 equals to 7. 2x minus 3 equals to 7. Now look at over here. Look at over here. That we can solve this example. There are two methods. Okay. Either you can use trial and error method. Trial and error method says check a different value of x. It means you just started taking x equal, replace x with 1, x with 2, x with 3, x with 4. Okay. Until you get the value of x, when you put solve this equation which I am getting equals to the 7. Till that you have to find the values of x. So there are so many. We know that there are infinite number. Okay. So how many numbers you take and check this way. So instead of solving this way, you can use a very easy method. What we are going to do is we just separate this variable. Okay, we have to just separate this variable from this whole equation. So what I am going to do is, so 2x minus 3 equals to 7 is given. Okay, now take this constant value to different side. So I am getting 2x equals to plus 7. So this one is negative 3 in equals to sign. Over here is positive 3. Now, so the 2x I am getting over here is 10. Okay. Now again, we want only the variable. So again, here what is the coefficient of x is 2. So again take this 2 into that right hand side part. It means this both are in multiplication. It means this 2 goes into the denominator. Okay. So the x is equals to, when I am solving this one, so find 2s are 10. So I am getting x equals to 10. X equals to 10. Now I am getting some value over here. X equals to 10. Now let's just check. If you replace this x with 5, in equation 2. So 5 minus 3. Okay, 2 into 5, that is 10, minus 3, again you getting equals to 7. You are getting equals to 7, okay, which is equals to your right hand side part. Hence the find the solution of this. Hence the solution of the equation 2x minus 3 equals to 7 is x equals to 5. See, solution, it means whatever the value of x you get, that is the solution of that equation. Okay. Now take one more example. Example number 2. Solve 2y plus 9 equals to 4. 2y plus 9 equals to 4. Okay. Now, just separate this variable with that constant numbers. Okay. So what I'm doing is, so 2y plus 9 equals to 4. I'm taking this constant to that side. So 2y, 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9, it means I'm getting minus 5. So 2y equals to minus 5, y equals to minus 5 by 2. See, y equals to minus 5 by 2. Now replace this. There is no need to replace this one over here. That whatever you solve over here, that is the correct answer only. But you did not make any mistake. That's why we just checking over here. So let's check. So 2y is minus 5 by 2 plus 9. Okay. So look at over here. This gets cancelled. What left over here is minus 5 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9, that is equals to plus 4. I'm getting equals to plus 4. It means, what is the solution over here? Hence, the solution of equation 2x minus 3, no, 2y plus 9 equals to 4 is y equals to minus 5 by 2. I hope you are getting it. Okay. Now, in your homework, exercise 2.1, the question number 2, and yes, question number 3. These questions, question number 1, 2 and 3, you have to solve in your homework. Okay, so now you got it how to solve this question, and this question number 1, 2, 3 is exactly